All right, good evening, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell. Today is the first day of November, November 1st, right? Hope everyone had a great Halloween. I will be out of the office on Thursday and Friday, but Craig Hill will be subbing for me and putting together a video. Let's just take a look at a couple charts and a couple potential trades. We're looking at CERN. So again, if you were in CERN, if you were able to get in on the break up through this high, you would have been definitely taking some profits up in here, would have been a break even, but the market came right back down. But this is setting up for another potential trade. I believe if the market's able to come down, back down and retest Wednesday's low here at 64.87, I believe there would be another buying opportunity at 64.87. down to 64 even. I believe this would be a nice setup if you could get that pullback down in the zone tomorrow. All right, next one, LMAT. Remember, we were able to get in yesterday at yesterday's close or a little lower. Markets popped up. If you were in this trade, you would want to take some profits on today's close, or actually the market closed at 31.96, 31.98 rather. I would get out a portion, maybe half of the position at 31.98 tomorrow, and move the other to break even, the remaining portion of the position. For those of you that were able to get in the ADMS trade, where we entered that market right in this area, look at this. Mark even opened up higher. So remember, that entry was about $20. We're at $26. Nice run up. You would definitely want to get out at least half of your position. If you're not already out of some of this position or all of it, you want to get out half on tomorrow's open, and I would move the remaining half up to right below yesterday's high. All right. For those of you that listened to my video yesterday on MTRA, now maybe I didn't clarify, but remember, I was looking to buy it as it traded up through yesterday's high, not a gap. Okay, so you don't want to put a buy stop order in before the market opens, because when it gaps over that stop price, it becomes a market order and you're in on the open, okay? And I don't want that. I want to see the market travel up, open up within the range or even lower, but not above the high. Remember, it closed at 11.03. We were looking at an entry at 11.08 as the market traded up through it. Well, the market opened up at 11.17, which happened to be the high of the day, and then traded down for the remainder of the day. So on any type of breakout trades, you just need to know that the market's got to trade up through that price to get long. It can't gap over it. So that voided this trade setup because we opened up above it. Okay. Now, still on my radar. Okay, market came down 200 simple moving average right here. Fine. What I'm looking for is if the market is able to trade. So today was actually an outside bar, right? We took out the high and the low of Tuesday's high and low, right? If this market's able to reverse and trade back up through 11.17, right, tomorrow, Thursday the 2nd, that would be a screaming buy with a stop below this low. Okay. All right, for those of you that took advantage of the SELB trade, market traded back up to 22.01 today. Actually took out this high right now. So I haven't taken anything off, even though we're long right in between here. That's not a bad move for a $20 stock up to $22. I mean, that's pretty, that's nice, right? So I'm looking to take off, since I'm going to be out of the office tomorrow, I will have my laptop. I'm going to go ahead and take off half the position at 21 or higher to make a point, and then put the others to break even. Remember, I'm still bullish on gold down in here. Okay, so look for that. All right, and let's take a look at something brand spanking new that came across my scan, and it's MTGE, GE right in here. That's the symbol. And look at this. So we're overall uptrend. We've pulled back quite hard from this high of $20 down to a little, about 17 3/4. We've got an inside vertical bar here, right? High is lower than the prior bar's high. The low is higher than the prior bar's low. I think if we are able to come back up and take out that high, I'd be looking to be a buyer. But quite frankly, if I was in the office tomorrow, I would look to be buying it down in here with a stop below the low of Tuesday. But I would not be using a sell stop order as a physical order. I would watch it, and if it closed below Tuesday's low, then I would exit the next day's open. Okay, I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Be back with you on Monday.